Please subscribe my channel Current Technical News and press bell icon to get notification of my next videos.
Hello friends, I am WalTop and you are watching Current Technical News. And today I am going to unbox this. What is this? What's this actually? And you can see the wall behind me, and it's a white in color. That's why I purchased a sticker for this wall. It's totally will be changed, and that's why I purchased it. Actually, I ordered 4 pieces for this wall only, and I got only 1 piece today, and that's why I'm going to unboxing it. Let's see how we are getting this. Actually, 1 piece price is 300, and let's open it and see how we are getting this. You will see totally change within few times my wall, and that's why I order it. And let's see. So friends, now I think, and you see properly, it's 269. It's a 269. It's a 1 piece, and you can see everything. There's a, and okay, let's open it and see how this is. Okay, let's cut it and see. Okay, there's the bill. Okay, I will take it later. And now you can see. And let's open it properly. Okay, for this wall I need 3 more pack. This is a 1 pack only, and 3 roll I need. It's a 1 roll only. Okay, let's open it. Okay, it's a knife also here. Inside this box, there's a knife. Okay, just try to cut. My scissor is best. Let's cut it and see. It's totally packed. Okay, that's it. Oh, wow. Okay, and this way I have to use. Okay, in my next video I will you can see this in my wall in my next video. Okay, that's it. Now you can see properly. Yes, I have to remove. These are 2 cover. 1 cover I have to remove, and it's automatically starting my wall properly. Okay, let's use this and see. And if you have any question, please put your questions in this video comment box. And you can see properly, it's looking very nice. So friends, now I think you understand how this is, and actually, and my next video you will see my background will totally change. And if you want to take it, I will provide its link in my description box. Please like and share this video with your friends, and take care. Goodbye. Tata.